Hey everyone, I'm Crystal and today I'm going to show you this everyday look. Before I get into this video, if you guys have not subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. Now, let's jump into this video. It's really cold in here, so I'm wearing my pink sweater from years ago. I used to work at Victoria's Secret, so I have a lot of pink stuff. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by applying primer to my face. I already applied my moisturizer for the day, so now I can move on to my primer. Today I will use this Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape. This is a sample size that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. First I put it on my cheeks, then my nose, then a little on my forehead. I like the tackiness to this primer because it feels like my foundation will just stick to it while my skin kind of adjusts to that. I'm gonna do my brows. So I'll be using Billion Dollar Brows Bestseller Kit. This comes with a brow pencil, brow duo pencil, clear brow gel, and a smudge brush. Here are some before and afters. I love Billion Dollar Brows because I got this brush in my Ipsy Glam bag. I love it. It's my favorite eyebrow brush. So I use this every single day. But now that I got this, I can try out the pencil and see if I like it. Because my favorite way to do brows is with a pencil and powder. Lately, I have just been using powder. But I saw this kit at TJ Maxx and it was only $8 and I thought I have to buy that. I should have bought more, but I only bought one for me to try to see if I like it, but I have a feeling I'm going to like it. Here is the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. This has a spoolie on one end and has a pencil on the other side. Now I have two spoolies. Don't know how I feel about the spoolie on the pencil. That's a lot of waste. I would encourage everybody to buy this brow brush. And then for this, I would be really happy just buying a wooden pencil. But this one's a retractable one. So we'll see how long this lasts. But my favorite pencils have always been wood pencils. So let's see how this goes. This is good if you don't have a spoolie already. For my brows, I'd like to start at my arch. As you can see, this pencil glides on very smoothly. Just use really light strokes or else your eyebrows can look really dark really fast. I'm gonna grab my other Billion Dollar Brows eyebrow brush and use this spoolie to brush it out. The more you brush out with the spoolie, the lighter it will look. Don't worry about them being perfect right now because I'm gonna do some things to like clean it up. This is a really old e.l.f. brush. It's a concealer brush. What I did is just put some concealer around my brows. But if you go outside the lines of your brows when applying the pencil or powder or pomade or whatever, concealer is a really good thing to use to clean it up. They're a lot more cleaned up. Next, I'll move on to eye primer. And lately I've been using Jane Iredale Smooth and Fair for Eyes eyeshadow primer. Now starting on my eyeshadow, I'm going to do a simple everyday look using Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack. First let's start off with this color, which is Classic, and I'll use this Bogacci's tapered blending brush to apply this as a base. Next I'll use this color, and this is Antique. I use this SL Miss Glam Blend Beauty Brush, and this is L34. I got it in my Ipsy Glam bag. Now I'm gonna grab this brush again in this color. This color is called Rubbish. This one I'm also applying in my crease and kind of like outlining my eyeball. And then I'll like smoke it out. Like out toward the tail of my eyebrow. And then I'll blend it up. It's pretty much blending it up and out. I also want to get underneath my eye. Next, I'll move on to this color, and this is called Rust. I'll use this tapered blending brush. This is M139 from Morphe. Since this is a little rounded at the top, it will give a little more detail. I want to keep this really close to my lid. I'm gonna give my eyes kind of like a halo effect. So next, I'll move on to this color, and this is Rot. I'll use this e.l.f. eyeliner brush. I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line. Now I will grab this e.l.f. contour brush and I'm going to smudge out that line. Just make it look a little more blended. I'll go back to this brush right here and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of that. So blend it out and up. Okay, since I'm not really using eyeliner at the moment and I'm really focusing on my eyelashes, I'm just gonna use mascara. I'll be using this Betty Boop and Ipsy collab Blink and Wink mascara. It's my favorite at the moment. Now let's move on to my foundation. I'll use this Pacifica a light foundation. All I need to use in this is just one pump. I'm gonna show you. There is one pump. So I'm gonna grab my Sephora Pro Flawless Airbrush. This is number 56. And dab on my nose, my forehead, my cheeks. And then after it like dries just a little bit, then I'll blend it. Next, I'll use this Pacifica Liquid Cover Concealer. I use the color 14 Neutral Medium. Since this is my own stash, I'm gonna use it directly on my face. If this were from my client kit, I would put it down on the palette and then use it. Next, we'll move on to contouring. I'll use this Pacifica Bronzer Blush Duo in Bronze Rose. I only use the contour powder. This is an angled blush brush, Sephora Pro Angled Blush Brush number 49. Gotta get that forehead. e.l.f. Eyeshadow C Brush, that same contour powder. And this is for my nose. Now I'm gonna use some blush, and I'll use Melt's Kelly Dream. I'm gonna go back to this brow kit and use this Brow Duo pencil. You can use this as concealer, and you can use it on your brow bone to highlight. Now let's add a little glow. Use my favorite highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. It's Rodeo Drive. I love this highlighter. It's my absolute favorite. It's broken and I still use it. Here's my Bugacci's illuminator brush. I'm gonna take this brush and put this on the inner corners of my eyes and down the bridge of my nose. Ooh, I'm gonna add some to my Cupid's bow too. Last but not least, I'm gonna add some lip color. I'm just gonna go for this Pacifica Plushes Liquid Mineral Lipstick. It's a very natural color. Alright you guys, and this is the final look. Please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.